I would like that the price of all such aids and appliances is reduced through appropriate social and government intervention so that even the poorest person can use these devices and improve the quality of his life. Stop the physical environment in which the disabled live and work has to improve. Stop facilitating access to building and public transport can go a long way to easing the difficulties which disabled persons encounter. Stop constructing ramps, modifying transport, etc. will help create a barrier-free environment for the disabled. Stop such efforts would give greater autonomy to the disabled. Stop society owes this much to our disabled citizens as often it is the socio-economic conditions that have created the disability. Stop, we must use the many scientists, engineers and technicians both in the government and in the private sector to research and develop techniques and products that will benefit the disabled. Stop para. The social sector has so far been the responsibility of the government. Stop liberalization is now transferring more responsibility on the private sector. Stop the government and the non-government sectors have to work together. Stop, especially in the social sector. Laws have to be changed to facilitate the disabled. Stop, society's attitude too must change from pity to active compassion. Stop, only then can the disabled get their rightful share of all benefits that society can offer. Stop, health care, education and employment are the critical areas where the disabled need greatest support. Stop, they also need social rehabilitation both within their families and in their neighborhoods. Stop, there are rigidities in the system because of which the disabled are not able to use even the facilities that the law provides. There are few facilities that will help them even cast their vote. Stop, these legal, administrative and physical barriers must be removed. Stop, the government, NGOs and professionals have to get together and identify how to provide these critical services to the disabled, especially for disabled women in rural and far-flung areas who are the worst sufferers. Stop, we must pay extra attention to the northeastern states and to Jammu and Kashmir. Stop, I again applaud today's awardees for doing so well in their chosen fields despite several odds. Stop, their success is due not just to their indomitable spirit but also to the wholehearted support of their families and community which needs to be acknowledged. Stop, India has to work tirelessly to create a society where the disabled are fully integrated in the daily lives and in the hearts and minds of all of us. Stop, they too are a part of our precious human resources and they too can and must contribute equally in nation building. Stop, I hope and trust that this shall be achieved